Hi, this is Farhad, and in this video, I will show the next section of our automation process, the appoint booked session and the for email confirmation, email reminder section. At first, we need to log in our dashboard, GoHighLevel sub account dashboard, and in this automation section, we are working in this appoint section of our workflow. We already have our lead appointment funnel automation. Now we are going to create our next section, the automation appointment booked section. So at first we need to create a workflow. Now I will start from scratch. In this video, the automation will be happen after the appointment book. So we need to set a trigger appointment if customer booked appointment which is in calendar. What calendar do we have? We have the coaching calendar. So at first we need to assign an user because our personal assistant will operate with this person. John Doe is a personal assistant, so I am adding him. So next we already have our virtual assistant added, but next we need to inform our virtual assistant that we are a new customer booked an appointment. So we need a notification, send a notification. So what type of notification we need to send? We need to send an email out of notification, and from email from at the rate your domain. In this place, you need to set your domain. Or we have our domain. This one is our domain. So I'm just changing it to our domain. You need to add your domain. User types, all user or assigned users, all the or custom email. As I have already assigned user, so I can add a assigned user. But if you don't have any user, then you can send a custom email to the particular person. Hey, new point name booked. So hello John Doe, because this email will receive John Doe in our assigned user that we already assigned there. A new appointment has been booked. Please connect with the prospect's name. We can change this prospect name from this contact name, full name, and appointment time. At appointment time, we need to go to the appointment and appointment date time, start date time. So automatically system will take this name and the appointment time based on the prospect selected time. So this internal notification has been done. Now we need to send a confirmation email. We need to add an email, send email. This email should be sent instantly. Email to the prospect. So the name we are using for this person. So John Doe, because John Doe will contact this person, contact this prospect. So I'm just using John Doe and John Doe at the rate of yourdomain.com. Domain.com. Our domain is this, so I am replacing this your domain. This is should be the your email address. That can be any of email address you have, like John Doe at the gmail.com, yahoo.com, or so whatever the which email he used for communication. Yes, session has been booked. So we have our title. This your session has been booked. So customer will get informed that his session already booked. So now we need to create an content for this email. So this is a short email content that we can use. Hello name. So we can use the name of this person because we are this email will send to the prospect. So this will be the prospect name that I have. And you successfully booked your session at the time of the appointment. So start date and time. So this is the time that he booked. The calendar will be touched soon. Thank you. So this is the email. Now we also need to send an SMS. Just content, copy and paste that. This will be the same message. Will go both of the place. Now we need to set another reminder. Now we need to set a wait for the next message. Instead of a regular time delay, we will use this for event or appointment time. So we want to send a new email or SMS before 1 day of appointment. So we already have the before selected, and there should be 1 day, and it will be set. So I am just copying from the previous email from here, copy action, and I will paste here. And we just need to change the content now because other fields will be same. Content will be your appointment is tomorrow, and we can use hello, the name your appointment is tomorrow, appointment is tomorrow at that time, and you have online soon. So this is okay, this is a good, and I just need to copy the content, and I need to send an SMS. It will be same, and now I need to set another weight. It should be 6 hours before the time. So before it will be only 6 hours. Email content will be very identical with this one, and a hello name. Your appointment is today at. So I am not changing anything because time and date will be same. And finally, we need to send a message. We need to copy this data. Then we need to send an SMS again. So again, we need to set another weight, 30 minutes before the event, and new SMS will go to them about have a contact now. Your appointment is in is here only 30 minutes. We are only 30 minutes away. So hope you will trust on. So this is okay. So this sequence is ready. We can also send a message email as well for this sequence. We can add a message as well. I'm copying and paste here. So I just copied and pasted here. So this is ready, and this is already we have completed 4 email sequence, and a notification, SMS, and other required for this section. And now publish and save.